closet is begging for help.
It's actually pretty big, but I have to share it with my sister. So full.
Feel like in the future.
So sad. Hello everyone, I'm Mileny and this is my digital diary where I romanticize and document my life. In this video, we're going through my closet and separating it into 3 piles, which are keep, donate, and throw away. I desperately need to do this, and at this point, my closet is begging for help. And the problem isn't even that I have too many clothes, it's actually that my closet is way too small. First, I need to show you guys the before. Let's go.
So this is what my closet currently looks like. It's actually pretty big, but I have to share it with my sister, meaning I only get half of it, which is this top half, and that part, which is not for clothes. Since that closet has no space to put like folded clothes, I had to buy this drawer, and again, only half of it is mine. And here are my clothes. My skirt drawer is like so full, and especially like these bottom ones as well. And it's so full that I had to put clothes here and also in random places like here and on my desk. And there's still more clothes in the wash.
Let's start with the tops. This one is thermal, which is like a must for winter, and I really like it. It's pretty new, so keep. This one is off the shoulder, so it's kind of uncomfortable, but I really like it, so keep. Very warm, and it has like a turtleneck, which is again a must for winter. I usually wear this under hoodies and other clothes during winter, so it's a keep. This one, I'm gonna keep it for now. Guys, honestly, I don't think I'll be able to get rid of that many clothes. The next one is this. I'll keep it. It has my bird ear. I wore it for my first ever concert, which was Blackpink. It's definitely a keep. It comes with a set which looks so dreamy. I just have to keep this. Although it's starting to get old, I got it in Brazil, which is my home country, so I have to keep it. I never really wear anymore. I'll throw it away because it's starting to get yellow here. Finally, I got rid of something. It's actually for 8-year-olds, guys. It does still fit me, but it's not really my style anymore. Same as the white one. However, I think I like this one slightly more. I've only worn it like 3 times, but it was really expensive, so I have to keep it. Pretty casual, but yeah, I'll keep it. One of my favorites, keep. Another one for casual wear, keep. And finally, we have this one, which I don't think it suits me. However, I do really love it, so I'll keep it. This is what we have so far. Keep, donate, and throw away. Moving on to the skirts, which is actually my favorite part. If you know me, you know I love skirts. This one is a keep. One of my favorites, keep. A staple, keep. This one isn't really my style anymore just because it's shorts at the back. Donate. I do want to keep it, but I don't know how to match it with the rest of my clothes. I feel like it doesn't go well with anything else, so I'm gonna have to donate it. This used to be my favorite and I got it from Korea. This is part of this set. It's definitely a keep. Donate. I like it, so keep. This is actually a dress, but since it's so short, I use it as a skirt. Like, I'm not feeling it anymore. This is a bubble skirt. I actually don't love it as much as I thought I would, but I feel like it'll be useful for something in the future, so I'll keep it. And finally, we have this one, which is a skirt that I got from Korea. My dad put it in the dryer only after I used it once when I told him not to put it in the dryer, and it actually shrunk. As you can see, like the inner shorts are actually longer than the skirt itself, so whenever I wear it, you can see the inner shorts, and it doesn't fit me that well anymore. It used to be perfect, but now it's a bit short. I'm so sad. That skirt's done. Next, we're doing jeans and pajamas. Yes, I put them in the same drawer just because I don't have any more space. Starting with this one, which is totally not my style. Definitely donate. These are my favorite jeans. They're definitely made for me, so keep. These are bootcut jeans, keep. My new jeans. So that's it for jeans. I actually don't have that many. This one I got from my mom's friend for Christmas and I love the fit, so keep. The new Miffy pajamas that I got from my friend, and I haven't worn these yet and I love it so much, so it's a keep. Another one of my favorites, keep. Now the last drawer is a bit miscellaneous. First off, we have the bottom. I had 2 pairs of the same. I'm only gonna keep one, so I'll keep the pants. I'll keep the top that looks the best. Although I don't really like the cuff anymore. It is very good quality. I'll keep it for now. These pants, they're very comfortable for dancing, especially in the summer because they're lightweight, so I'll keep it. My friend got me from Mauritius. Keep. Okay, this one is ancient and my mom keeps telling me to throw it away. She actually threw it away once, but then I went and took it again because I like it too much. I just can't. Straight up ugly. It doesn't even fit me, it's way too big. I don't really wear brown, but I feel like this could come in handy at some point. It does look nice on me, so I'll keep it. Keep. Donate. I don't wear this. Wear it once and then never again. Donate. My old school uniform shirt, but I'll keep it. I actually forgot I had this one and I really like it, so keep. Another one for casual wear. Keep. I got these sweatpants in Portugal to go climbing because I used to be a rock climber, but after that day I never climbed again. This one I never wore, but it is a good layer for winter, so I'll keep it. One from Korea, so I'll keep it. And this one actually stole from my dad because he bought 2 for himself and 1 for my mom, and I regret not buying any, so yeah, it's mine now. Sorry, Dad. That's it. I forgot about these pajamas and these sweatpants, but I'll keep them. This hoodie I actually wear so much that it's kind of giving me the ick now. My favorite hoodies, keep. My mom gave me these Pochaco pajamas for Christmas, so keep. This one I got from my friend for my birthday, keep. This robe is a bit old, but my mom got it custom made for me. This one is for casual wear, like going grocery shopping, keep. My mom hates this one, but it is for my college, so keep. I bought these cute My Melody pajamas from Temu, but it's way too small for me, so donate. My dad's dress, and I still love it to this day, keep. My leather jacket, why is it so heavy? I honestly don't know why I bought this. I think I'm ready to let go of this one, keep. I love the fit of this one, but I hate the color. This is my old school uniform. There's no way I can get rid of this. Simple white summer jacket, keep it. I feel like I don't get enough opportunities to wear this, but I'll keep it. I originally got this dress from my dad's, but I got totally scammed. It looks nothing like the picture. Donate. For job interviews, keep. Favorite dress of all time, keep. Because I thought I was done, but there's more clothes up there. These are my very summery clothes. This set, which is actually pajamas, and I never wore this, but I definitely will during my summer trips. I honestly can't wait to wear it. It's so cute. It's getting a little bit small on me, so donate it. Guys, I think I'm not being harsh enough on myself, so let's focus now. These shorts, I'll keep. Donate it. Keep. This top is very old. I had it since I was 14 to be my mom's before, so it's that old, guys. One of my favorite pajamas, this one is watermelon, keep. Pretty useful for summer, so keep. I don't really wear this color anymore, but I'll keep it. Really beautiful dress that I wore for my birthday. It's one I never got to wear, but my friend got it for me and the whole friend group matching, so keep. This dress was expensive. Again, I got it from Brazil. I haven't worn it that much, so definitely keep. Finally, this dress, I do love the color, but it's not my style, so donate. We're finally done with all of my clothes.
This is what my bed currently looks like. This is the keep pile. Donate and throw away. And also whatever is in there is also keep. You may be wondering why I'm doing this closet clean out. And to answer your question, it's because last year I finally figured out my color palette, which is pink, white, black, and gray/silver. But for some reason, I kept holding on to clothes that don't reflect my style anymore. And every time I opened my closet, it just felt cluttered and not like me. Also, I'm going to be traveling a lot this summer, which means I'm going to buy a lot of clothes before I go and during my trips, so I need space. This is kind of like making room for the next version of me in a way.
It's the next day now, and as you can see, I'm in my pajamas, and these are all of the clothes that I am getting rid of. It's actually so much more than I expected. The clothes that I'm the saddest about leaving are these, my Melody pajamas. Even though I never got to wear them, I was really looking forward to wearing them, but they ended up being too small. And also this skirt that I got from Korea because I bought it during one of the best times of my life.
This is what my closet looks like after. I'm so proud of myself for being able to get rid of this much clothes. I was able to put my skirts and jeans in the same drawer and have a separate drawer for just pajamas. And overall, my closet looks so much more cohesive since most of the pieces I got rid of did not follow the color scheme.
So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.